In this video, I'm going to show you how to export files in Onshape. So what we'll need to do is basically have a sketch or part in Onshape, and to export it, what we'll need to do is select the whole part. So you can do that by clicking right here on part 1 or part 2, and basically right click it right now, and you'll see the export button. Click on export button, and right here you'll see the export tab. So here you can set the file name. I will just type guide to everything, and for the format what you can do is select different formats. So as you can see, you have a lot of formats right here, but the usual one is STL for the 3D printing, and I will select STL. Right here you can select STL format, make sure it is binary, and for the units you can select the units, resolution, and right here the options leave that as it is default. Now click export and click save somewhere, and as you can see, this will save your file to your computer, and now you have exported file from the Onshape. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.